What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we are comparing two cameras, the Runcam Racer 3 and also the Runcam Phoenix Oscar Edition. This is a new series that I've been doing on my YouTube channel where I compare two cameras side by side. I am using the Runcam DVR on both cameras, and they go straight into the DVR so you guys can get a real clear image. You don't have to worry about Fat Shark DVRs or anything like that, or a VTX making it really nasty. So let me know down in the comment section down below what you guys think of both cameras, or let me know if you have a suggestion or want to see something in one of these videos to help me improve on them. But let's go ahead and get to the comparison. Alright, so we have the Runcam Racer 3 on the left and also the Runcam Phoenix Oscar Edition on the right. And we're going to be doing this in daylight and also a cloudy day and also at night, so we can really see where these cameras struggle or where they perform best at. Both cameras have a really nice image. I think the Runcam Racer 3 is a little bit sharper, but other than that, they are pretty comparable. Besides, the Runcam Racer 3 does say that it does have low latency, which I don't have a way to test that. So this is really just for the image quality. And what we're going to do here in a moment is we're going to do light transition to see how they transition from light to dark. So let me go ahead and figure out how I'm going to put my hand on here, and we'll go ahead and take a look. And they both have a pretty good transition from light to dark. I think the Runcam Racer 3 is a little bit faster, but it's really hard to catch. But let's go ahead and we're going to make this full screen so you guys can see the pixelated. This is pretty much full image, so you guys can see details and also pixelation of the image on each camera, and they both do a good job. Like I said, the Racer 3 does have a little bit sharper image opposed to the Runcam Phoenix Oscar Edition's softer image and their sharpness, and you probably can change that in settings, but these are all at default settings. I haven't changed a single thing, so this is how they come out of the box with both OSDs already enabled. So you will need to shut those off if you do purchase these cameras by using the little remote that it comes with. Right now we're going to go ahead and transition over to a cloudy day. So let's go ahead and take a look. So as you can see here on the cloudy day, they both do still have a very similar image. I do think that the Runcam Racer 3 is a little lighter than the Phoenix. It does have a little bit, I think the Phoenix is a little more real to how the natural lighting looked, and the Runcam Racer 3 is adding a little bit of exposure to kind of see, in the shadows and everything else. But that's both cameras, and what we're going to do is we're going to make this full image as well, so you guys can see how both cameras compare on the cloudy day. Right here, you can see we're looking here again at the parking lot, and like I said, we pretty much have the same issues. A little bit overexposure here on the Racer 3, and the Phoenix has a little bit of softer sharpness. Looking here at the grass, you can really kind of see the sharpness difference between both cameras. Let's go ahead and transition over to night so we can take a look how these cameras compare. And really, there's no comparison. The Runcam Racer 3 kills the Runcam Phoenix at night. Runcam Phoenix is definitely there's so much noise in it, and it also has this yellow cast that looks really ugly. The Runcam Racer 3, it looks like it's desaturated the video to make it look a lot nicer, and I definitely would agree. So I would say probably the Runcam Racer 3 is definitely an all-around FPV camera where you can do it during day, cloudy, and at night, opposed to the Phoenix, where it's really just mostly for a daytime type of camera. You really can see that noise on the Phoenix Oscar Edition here. But if you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Let me know down in the comments section what camera you're going to pick or what camera you like. I appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Peace.